summer in Ireland. We travelled the woods and fields, picking out the wild flowers for the hedges. Then we visited all the houses and sprinkled the flowers and dumped doorsteps. This keeps the fairies away. They want to cause trouble at this time of year. We pick wildflowers because the fairies don't like wild. We even put them at gates into our houses and fields to protect the animals. The animals are so happy when they get out to the fields for summer. The flowers sweep around them and the curlew sings at the wake. The cuckoo comes in April, he sings her song in May. In June, she changes so soon, and in July, he flies away. The cuckoo flowers are grown in the fields, and the orange-tipped butterfly only lays her eggs on them. He had to look really closely to see her tiny orange eggs. The white swan is starting to put out her flowers, so it's time to start dressing for summer. As the sun sets on May Eve, we light a fire on the hill to welcome summer back. We eat, drink, and dance around it with our family and the animals. Fanchona.